Hello class 6th, welcome back to your English class. Hope you are good with your health and doing well with your studies. So in last English class we studied the chapter first of the book The Pact with the Sun, which was about two birds from a common mother who got separated and grown, and the attitude of them grown up with the environment they had. So basically we learned that a person is known by the company we keep. So you were given a homework to solve these questions. तो आई होप आपने ये होमवर्क अपना कर लिया हो. टुडे वी स्टार्ट विद द नोट्स ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर. सो लेट्स बिगिन विद द नोट्स. You have your copy. I hope you all of you must have taken the copy from school. So let's proceed with the note making. When you start writing, as you see, suppose today is 16th of August, so you'll put your date over here. Whatsoever the page number you are writing on, you'll mention the page number, and then you will, by this side of the margin, you will write the chapter number, that is chapter number 1, then the name of the chapter, the tale of two birds. On the left space, you will draw any of the pictures available in your books. आपके बुक में जो भी pictures दी हुई हैं, कोई भी एक picture आप यहाँ पे बनाएंगे, and then you will straight away proceed to the next page. That will be question and answers. तो ये आपका question और answers का पेज है, जिसमें आप पहले heading डालेंगे, write the question and answers. Using a black pen, you will write down the first question. How did the two baby birds get separated? जिसका आंसर, दिस इज जस्ट द फर्स्ट लाइन. इसके आगे के वीडियो में आई विल कनेक्ट यू. ये है, इसी प्रोसेस में आप पूरा आंसर लिखते जाएंगे और हर एक चीज़ को, जैसे ये आंसर, क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर, इसको प्रॉपर अंडरलाइन करेंगे. ये सारे टाइटल्स थे, जितने भी हेडिंग्स हैं उसको आप प्रॉपर डबल लाइन से अंडरलाइन करते जाएंगे एंड यू विल फॉलो दिस फॉर्मेट. आगे आई विल कनेक्ट यू थ्रू वीडियो, स्क्रीन वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग. उसमें आपके आंसर्स प्रिंटेड होंगे, तो टाइप्ड होंगे, तो बेटर समझ में आएगा आपको. किसी तरीके की मिस्टेक होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी कम हो जाएगी. तो आई विल प्रोसीड विद द अदर पार्ट यूजिंग अ स्क्रीन रिकॉर्डिंग. ठीक है. So let's begin with the first question of your chapter, that is, how did the two baby birds get separated? So I'll speak out the answer and you can clearly see it on the screen. That is why I tried using the screen recording. So the first answer is, the two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two cheeks away to the other side of the forest at a little distance from each other. Thus they got separated from each other. Please strictly follow the pattern that I have told you using the school copy. So just write everything in that pattern. So this is our first answer. I'll repeat it once again. The two baby birds lived in a tall tree with their mother. One day a big storm blew. The tree came down. The mother bird was killed. The strong wind blew the two cheek away to the other side of the forest at little distance from each other. Thus they got separated from each other. Coming to the second question, where did each of them find a home? So this is the second question, and the answer of the question is, remember to leave two lines after first answer. Draw a proper underline between the two answers. Write the question with a black pen, that is, where did each of them find a home? Question mark. Now write answer word in the margin, and using the blue pen write down the second answer. One of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. I'll repeat the answer once again. Also, you can pause the screen to have a better view. One of the young birds came down near a cave. A gang of robbers lived there. The other bird landed outside the ashram of a rishi at a little distance. Moving on to the third question. Again, leave two lines and draw a proper underline after that. The third question is, what did the first bird say to the stranger? And write the question again with the black pen and answer with the blue pen. Try to use gel pens only. What did the first bird say to the stranger? Answer is, the first bird saw the stranger in Rekit the king. He called the robbers to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, he asked the stranger to leave the place at once. I'll repeat the answer. The first bird saw the stranger, that was the king. He called the robbers to hurry up and rob the man of his jewels and his horse. Indirectly, He asked the strangers to leave the place at once. Again, leave 2 lines, draw a proper underline, and come to the 4th question. I'm going in quite a speed just because you can pause the screen and write down the answers properly. So dictating does not make sense, and that would also reduce the amount of spelling mistakes that you commit. So coming to the 4th question, what did the second bird say to him? Question mark. The answer to the 4th question is, the second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. He added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talked like them. I will repeat the answer. The second bird welcomed the king to the ashram. He requested the stranger to drink water, take rest, and make himself comfortable. He added that his brother lived in the company of robbers, so he talked like them. So you're done with the 4th question. Again, leave 2 lines, draw a proper underline between the 2, and write down the 5th question. That is, how did the Rishi explain the different way in which the 2 birds behaved? क्वेश्चन का मतलब है कि ऋषि ने इस बात को कैसे एक्सप्लेन किया, जो 2 बेबी बर्ड्स का अलग अलग बिहेवियर था, उस बात को हाउ डिड द ऋषि एक्सप्लेन. सो वील राइट द आंसर टू दिस. So the answer will be, the king told the rishi about the different behaviors of the 2 birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robber. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Their different ways were the results of their company. As we learned from this situation only, that a person is known from the company he keeps. So I will repeat the answer. The king told the rishi about the different behavior of the 2 birds. The rishi explained that the first bird repeated the words of the robbers. The second bird repeated what he had always heard at the ashram. Their different ways were the result of their company. Coming to the 6th question. The 6th question is a multiple choice question basically. So you have to just choose the correct option out of the 3 given options. So I have also told you while explaining the chapter. The question is, which one of the following sums up this story best? इस story को सबसे best तरीके से कौन सी line explain करती है? Your options are, a bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. इसका मतलब है कि एक saying है कि बेहतर है कि हाथ में एक चिड़िया हो बजाय 2 चिड़िया जो कि झाड़ में फंसी हो. सो ऑब्वियसली ये कोई सेंस नहीं था चैप्टर का. कमिंग टू द नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, one is known by the company he keeps. मतलब definitely we have been studying through entire chapter that the behavior of the little birds dependent on the company they were in. So probably this is going to be the right answer. Let's come to the 3rd option. A friend in need is a friend indeed. So obviously this does not make sense here also, and the right answer will be, one is known by the company he keeps. One keeps. So by now the 6 questions of the chapters are done, and I hope you understand everything. If there is any problem regarding the notes, strictly follow the pattern that I have told you using the copy in the beginning of the video. So make sure the rules are not violated. I'll definitely remember everything when I check the copy, and so try to keep all the mentioned guidelines properly. And now by this we are done with the chapters. If you have problem to match up with my speaking speed, so please try to pause the video and see the answers. That is why I've used the screen recording in this. So that's it. If you have any problem, so please let your advisory know. I'll definitely try to help you. Thank you kids. Have a great day. Stay home. Stay safe.